That's a long distance view. That's the Orange River down there. We're heading dropping down in elevation. So that's the first inkling. South Africa on the other side. So that range that we first saw on the left was kind of one range there. So the bunch behind it is South Africa. Another mine, if you can see in the distance straight ahead, slightly on the left. And there's the river. So I think I'm just going to leave the camera on for now, because the part where the road has got a bit of a river is just kind of just ahead. Not far ahead. Sort of seeing a bit of river. It was a hell of a wind when I was riding this road yesterday at 4 o'clock. That's what Benny said, you know, when you travel earlier at least you don't have as much going on. Another car coming from the other side, obviously going to have a look. Rightio. Let's see what we see. From the distance it looks a huge amount better, actually. Huge amount. There's a car going through already. So I'm just going to keep going. Oh no, this is a doddle, guys. Because none of these poles will not, well, at some point the poles will disappear. And that sign with the thingy, hello, you guys just come to look, or you going through? Are you just coming to look, or you going through? You? Oh, okay. I was here yesterday afternoon and it's dropped quite a bit, huh? Yeah, that's looking, I mean, that car now just came through. That one that went, yeah, looking. Yesterday it was up to sort of halfway or down just above my ankle when I walked it. So I thought today I'm gonna, because, yeah, I need to go. Go well, guys. Alright, I just got to watch this mud a bit. I'm not, because mud is not a bike's friend, eh? So let's just go onto the gravel here then. So this was underwater yesterday. All of this bit. Oh, you see, this is. Actually, I must get onto the road here because this is where it was sinking. What are you thinking about? I must just get onto the road. In fact, there's no water at all. Suck me sideways. Let me get onto the gravel, onto the tar, I mean. Okay, this is Okay, let me not say doddle right yet until I'm through. Okay, but this is all tar.com, and we're through. Ons is deur, julle. Fucking hell. Okay. Sorry guys, slight anticlimax. I mean, this whole, you saw the river, the road, the movie yesterday. It was fucking vol geweest. All the way. These chevrons on the right here were right up. So there you go. Bless my socks. Ons is deur. Praise the Lord. Sorry, no excitement anyone. A little river crossing, but I'd rather have it that way, I think. It's quite pleasant riding like this. I wonder if I think I'll stop and just put my shoes on, just for safety, and I don't want them to sort of, they might wiggle loose and then fall off, and that's a whole drama. So I'll see you now. My goeie Piet.